Anyway, this is what the show looks like, and my voice is on the background. My deep, dark, beautiful voice is telling you an exciting story.
It was a story I did with one of the colleagues in internship where about a famous politician.
I guess I'm doing whatever I'm doing at the moment.
The things I'm taking with me is collaboration, international collaboration between journalists, especially after having a conversation with the Russians during these times, and how innovative journalism actually can be, and how creative you are without actually realizing it yourself.
And what I'm taking with me from these 2 days is like how different it is, like where you are in the Nordic countries, like doing journalism here, and it has been like really interesting to like hear about Finnish people, how they do journalism, and also like Norwegian and Swedish people as well. And we did this at one of the biggest newspapers in the north, or here in Finland, where they talked about live journalism, how they like get the journalistic things out to an audience like in a creative and innovative way. And I think that was like really interesting to hear about that, and how they make people listen to what they have to say in a fun way.
What I'm gonna take with me from this experience is similarities that exist between all different kinds of journalists. Like no matter what country we've been from, with the other Nordic people here and even the Russians who've been here, it's all clear that we're the same professional group, and that a lot of the struggles that we have are shared, even though there are certainly some struggles, especially for the Russians, who are far greater, but it was still an eye-opener.
One of the things that I really liked about this experience was getting to see how we are innovating in journalism, how different people in different countries are working to make journalism better. So it was really, really cool to experience what live journalism is and how that can be incorporated to make both journalism more accessible to people, but also increase your engagement and increase trust in the public. That's really fascinating. So.
I don't know.
Me and a colleague
What about
made this story.
you in 5 years?